Hi folks, Ads here from Herman's RV Holidays. Today, well, it's going to be one of those days again. Well, it happens every year. It's the Christmas party at my office, and again I'm taking Herman. I am very late for work. It is 10 o'clock, but don't tell the boss. And I'll be there in about, well, the office in about 45 minutes. My office is in Henley on Thames, and just down the road, not very far, about 2 miles, is the Four Oaks Motorhome and Caravan site, and that is where I am going later on this evening. It's within walking distance of the town, and yeah, it's ideal for the Christmas party. The Christmas party is also in Henley on Thames at the golf club, or one of the golf clubs. Lovely day. We had a bit of a frost last night all across the country, so everything is cold.
Christmas, just like the ones I used to know.
So this is the lovely town of Henley on Thames. We've just gone across the bridge. It is a huge one-way system, and we're going to turn right here. Every Thursday they have a farmer's market here in town, which you can see just in front of us.
Just like the ones I used to know.
Some nice bars, restaurants on the left as well, some banks on the right. If you want to go and leave Henley, you need to turn right here, down the one-way system along the River Thames. Here we have a double roundabout. If you head to the left, you can go to the car park and stay go to Waitrose. And to the right up there is the campsite, but we're going left. Well, I've arrived at work, and I guess it's time to get out the laptop and do some. See you in a bit. Well, it is now 5:30 in the evening. It is pitch black outside, and I am now at my campsite, Four Oaks Camping and Motorhome Campsite in Henley on Thames. I pitched up, I plugged into electricity. I have not got any water on board other than this here, which is, I'm going to be using that for drinking. Of course, I'm going to be using their toilets and showers rather than Herman's because of the water. And the reason I haven't got any water because, of course, it is winter or getting there, and I don't want to drain him down again. So that's the reason I haven't got any water on board. That also means that I don't have heating either, because the boiler needs water for it to be used as a heater, I believe. So I've got an oil heater, and it's just warming up now. It's quite hot now, but it's still quite chilly in here. Anyway, the other thing is that I've noticed the duvet is still the summer one, and I am going to fit the winter one in there as well, which would make it nice and cozy for myself tonight, I think. But what about in the middle of the night when I need to go for a tiddle? What do I use then? Because I'm certainly not going to be walking down the campsite in the cold. Well, the answer to that is jug of water. I'm just going to tip it down there if I ever use the toilet, and Jobs are good and empty in the morning. Well, I've got half an hour to go before I need to catch my cab, so I need to do a quick change and get ready for the party. There you go, what do you think? The occasion is black tie, but I think I'll get away with just my suit. Anyway, let's get going. Oh, it's cold outside. It's cold, clear sky, and very frosty. And it's not that warm in here. I don't think this oil heater is doing much. I was hoping that it's kind of an experiment, really. Hoping that it would warm us up over Christmas. Anyway, so Christmas party. It was okay. The meal was fantastic, just like last year. Same place as last year. The meal was great. Normally you have Christmas parties and the food is a bit dry and bit of a disaster to start off with. I was supposed to meet my cab at the front here 10 to 7. Waited until like 5 past and still didn't arrive. And of course there's no signal. I didn't have any idea who I needed to speak to, and eventually somebody called me and told me that the cabs have gone haywire, they've gone AWOL rather. So I walked into town, which isn't a problem, except it was very dark, and I installed the Uber software on my phone. No Ubers out here in the middle of the country, and then I had to figure out how to find a cab. Anyway, I eventually found one. I got to the place, golf club, at 8 o'clock. So I suppose it's been an hour late. I picked up a drink, free, and then we sat down. So I just about made it, kind of. But yeah, it was all right. But don't tell Zoe I had 2 puddings. I didn't intend to have 2 puddings, but they did look very good. Anyway, I'm going to sort myself out and get some sleep, I think. I haven't drank much. What have I had? I think I've had a beer to start off with. Then I had a small glass of wine, and then 2 double whiskies and a single whiskey, and the rest was water. I need to drink some more water. So I say not much, but I see how it works out in the morning. Anyway, good night, everybody. Morning, everybody. I am a bit croaky today, aren't I? Anyway, had quite a nice night, having a little sleep in Herman, and it wasn't too cold. In fact, that duvet did me well. I also had a hot water bottle as well. Today though, beautiful chilly weather, frost everywhere, and as you can see, there are quite a lot of us here. Just do a quick pan around. There's probably about 5 up there, and over there towards the toilet block there's probably another 10, maybe 15. Yeah, it's such a gorgeous day. It is 10 past 8 and I need to head into the office. They have a restaurant there, so that is where I'm going to get my cooked breakfast. Anyway, I just need to sort Herman out, pack him up, get rid of the screen, and we'll be heading out there. Hi folks, it's me again. I'm gonna go and work from home now. So finish with the office, and I'm gonna drive Herman home. And got a few meetings in the evening, so in the afternoon rather. And I thought it'd be best to drive during the daylight, so that because there's a narrow road that I got to go down, and during the night time it can be a bit treacherous when there's buses coming down the other way. So I thought I'll go at lunchtime and be back before my meetings. So thanks very much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, Merry Christmas and adios.
Do not try this at home, folks. It worked. I made it. Didn't break.